Hello, this is Dixie Cravens with Section 2 in CIT 336. This is my database running, and I am going to pull up my enhancement to text file and start to insert the queries. So the first one is going to go in the clients. And that was successful. And if I go back and browse, I see that I have a second Tony Stark. And then I am going to change his client level using the client ID of 3. Okay. And so I need to change client ID to 3. And save that. And that was successful, and so now both of them have a client level of 3. And the second one, or the third one, is for inventory. So the inventory database. And if I browse that one, climbing has been changed here and here, but not changed here. And then for the fourth one, this is an inventory. Again, I forget what this is doing. Oh yeah, okay. So inventory. There are the 7 records that are named miscellaneous. And then for the 5th one, also in inventory. I'm going to delete that. Yes, I really do want to delete it. And if I browse it, then it is no longer there. And then finally, looking at the connections, this one should be the broken connection. So if I run that, it shows the error page. And then if I go in and fix it and run it, it shows blank.